Hi guys, this is Raju Rahman from Tectonic. Firstly, I just want to make it clear that this is a sponsored video where WGP has asked me to review these smart audio glasses for them. However, all thoughts and opinions are my own. We're starting to see quite a few audio sunglasses pop up from different manufacturers. The one thing that has stopped me from ever considering buying one is the fact that you had to wear the sunglasses in order to listen to the music. So what if you wanted to listen to the music at night? Jack Nicholson aside, most people do observe some rules of courtesy. I for one don't wear shades at night or when I'm indoors, and that's where these glasses from WGP are different from the others. These have a magnetic modular design, so you can just take off the frames like that and put them onto a completely different frame, one that's more suitable for the time and place you're in. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. So here we have the box for the WGP Smart Audio glasses. It's very minimal, but sometimes less is more. On the side there's a slogan, see and hear differently. Nothing anywhere else except the other side where you have the same slogan again. Anyways, let's get this thing open. Sliding off the top of the box, the first thing you'll see is this white leather case. You can see the WGP branding right here on the top. Looks very nice indeed. Nothing around the back. I suspect the glasses are in here, but we'll get back to that in a bit. Next, you have the quick start guide, all the instructions to get you started are on here. I would advise you have a read of that. We have what seems like a proprietary charging cable, USB-A to a magnetic charging pin on the other end. You've got these soft pads for additional comfort and reducing sound leakage. And finally, you have a white microfiber cloth for cleaning your lens. It's got WGP branding here on the corner. Now, let's get back to the main attraction, the WGP Smart Audio glasses itself. At first glance, they look like regular unisex sunglasses. However, unlike traditional glasses where the arms taper off, the arms on these are slightly chunkier, but these are obviously no ordinary glasses. I think WGP has nailed it with the design. It looks stunning. On both temples, you've got marked areas for gesture controls, so sliding your fingertip on the left temple on the marked area will adjust your volume. Sliding on the right temple will change tracks. Also, the entire temple can detect taps, which allows you to play and pause music, answer and reject calls, activate the virtual assistant, all of which I'll explain later on. On the inside area of the temples, you've got magnetic ports for charging. As I mentioned earlier, what differentiates these particular smart audio glasses from the others is that these feature a magnetic quick release modular design, which makes it super easy to switch between different lens frames. It's as simple as just pulling the temple away from the hinge and then pushing in the temple to the frame with the lens you want. It magnetically connects to the hinge, and from my testing, once put together, it's very secure. As you can see, they don't just come apart when I shake them. So I'm going to do the rest of the review with these shades on because you guys will probably want to know what it looks like when someone's actually wearing them, and because they look cool. So the overall build quality of these glasses are exceptional for what they are. They're not much heavier than your average conventional glasses. The frame arms themselves weigh only 24.6 grams, but as these glasses are modular, depending on the frame you use, the overall weight could be anything between 40 to 50 grams. And of course, the dimensions will vary too, as you can see on screen. All the lenses have an anti-fouling and anti-scratch coating, so they should look very good for a very long time. They're also impact resistant to an extent, but that's not something I'm going to test. The glasses are also IP67 water resistant, so they should be fine in the rain, but obviously don't go swimming with them on. It's quite impressive that WGP was able to fit in so much technology while keeping the weight at a level similar to most ordinary sunglasses. Coming from someone who normally never wears glasses, they're very comfortable for extended periods without pinching your ears or nose, so it should be fine for anyone who wants to use them. So setting up these glasses is as easy as it gets. Simply put them on and it will automatically power on. On your phone, go to the Bluetooth settings, make sure Bluetooth is on, scroll down, look for WGP audio glasses, tap on that and then accept the pairing request, and that's it. You're now ready to use these glasses. When it comes to sound quality, the first time I played music for these, it felt a bit odd, in a good way that is. I found that the audio sounds great with most types of music. I usually listen to R&B, and so far my experience has been really good. I mean, you're not going to get those, really deep bass with these, but the sound is surprisingly detailed. You've got these small down-firing speakers on the temple just above your ears, so the audio is different from what you'd get with in-ear headphones. It's hard to describe, but it's almost like the sound is playing in this sphere around your head, and it's still clear. You can hear the bass and even the treble from the cymbals and other high-pitched instruments. Vocals come through very clearly with both music and podcasts alike, and even at the highest volumes I didn't experience any sort of distortion. As the speakers don't go into your ear, you'll obviously get some sound leakage, especially if you play something at loud volumes. But having the volumes at a modest level and putting on the included soft pads over the speakers will ensure sound leakage is reduced, so that you're able to use it in a quiet place without annoying anyone or sacrificing your privacy. Listening to music isn't the only thing you can do with these glasses. Since they have a built-in mic, you can also make calls with them. Call quality is what you'd expect from a decent pair of wireless headphones. It was fine on my end, and I could clearly hear the person I'm talking to, and I didn't get any complaints regarding the clarity from the other end. It's a little tough to give you an idea of what the calls sound like through the speakers, but I did send myself a voicemail using these glasses, so you can at least hear how well the mic worked on a call. The audio that you're listening to now was sent via a call through the mic on the glasses. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks. So on a call, the mic works as expected, but of course the quality is even better if I use Audacity to record directly from the mic. The audio that you're listening to now was recorded using the onboard mic directly through Audacity. I think the quality of the recording is comparable to other Bluetooth headphones with a mic. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. 4 taps on the temple activates your phone's virtual assistant, which is very useful, especially because you don't need to take your phone out of your pocket to do so. It's a really convenient way of using your virtual assistant. I also love the fact that I can hear my navigation through these glasses. It's great for voice guidance when you're walking or even cycling and don't want to get your phone out. These glasses support true wireless stereo, aka TWS, and they also support higher quality AAC audio. When it comes to connectivity, the glasses feature Bluetooth 5.0, so I haven't experienced any disconnections. Connectivity has been great for me. I've been able to use the glasses around the house without having my phone on my person. On paper, it states that the glasses have a range of 33 feet. From my experience, that statement is certainly accurate. I've not noticed any significant lip sync issues when watching video, which has obviously made it even more enjoyable using YouTube and watching content. WGP states that you can get around 7 hours of music playback and 5 hours of talk time. I'm not a long talker, so I've not tested the latter fully, but I did manage to get through a work day listening to music, which certainly proves these do last more than long enough for most requirements. You'll also get 120 hours on standby. Obviously, you can increase that time by just powering off the glasses when you're not using them. If the glasses run low on battery, you'll get an audible notice. Charging them fully takes around 2 hours, which you can do easily using the magnetic ports on the temples. The WGP audio smart glasses have certainly exceeded my expectations. It's obviously not going to compete with high-end dedicated headphones, but I don't think that's the intention here. The sound quality is still really good. It's different in a good way. And I love the fact that you can still hear ambient noise whilst you're using them. The open ear design means you can listen to music without completely removing yourself from the world. But I think what really sets these smart audio glasses apart from the rest, for me at least, is the ability to easily change the frames and lens, and that's what truly makes this something you can use any time of the day at any location, be that outside when it's sunny, at night, or even indoors. If you're interested, I've placed a link to the product page in the description below. Stay safe, stay healthy, and chat to you guys soon. This has been Raju Rahman from Tectonic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please subscribe and like. That would really help me out. And don't forget to check out these other videos too.